How to fix any iPhone not ringing on incoming calls. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, what you need to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to scroll down and then head over to focus. Here you can see at the top, do not disturb mode is turned on. If this feature is turned on, then you will not be able to receive the incoming calls. So all you gotta do is you need to turn off do not disturb mode. In order to do so, you need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Then click on do not disturb mode. You can see it has been turned off. Now the next thing is go back and head over to Sound and Haptics. At the very top you can see Ringtone and Alerts. If it is toggled off, then all you gotta do is increase the volume. That way you'll also be able to hear the incoming calls. Now the other thing you need to make sure that the silent button at the top left corner of your device should be toggled on, and then only you will be able to hear the ringtone and the incoming calls. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.